Samosa is said to come from the word sambosa, which in Middle Eastern it means pastry in triangular shape. Well, today we're going to change that and rebel a bit. We're going to make a totally different shape, and we're going to make it way simpler by using phyllo dough, and we're going to get super crispy samosa. And also, I'm going to show you this one pot method to cook the filling. Okay, we're going to start with making the filling. Let's just heat some oil. Okay, this is ginger, 2 inches or 5 centimeters that I just minced. Let's cook until it's golden brown. Now that we have the ginger all toasty, we're going to add 1 onion. I'm also going to add a pinch of salt. Let's continue until the onion gets translucent. When you have it more or less like this, you're going to add 4 garlic cloves and green and red chili, 1 each. Now we're going to continue cooking for a few more minutes until the garlic gets golden brown. And now that you have everything so beautiful like this, you're going to add 4 ounces of minced meat, which is 110 grams. We're going to continue cooking until the meat is fully cooked. Now we're going to add our spices. 1 teaspoon of cumin, half teaspoon of cayenne pepper powder. As for the heat, if you don't like spicy, then don't add it. 1 teaspoon of garam masala. And finally, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Let's just mix and cook everything together for like a minute. And now we're going to add 1 pound of potato that I cubed into more or less 1 centimeter size. We're going to add a pinch of salt. It's good that you salt your ingredients or food as you go. Now I'm going to add some water. Just add until it's almost covering all the potato. Now we're going to bring it to a boil, and we're going to cook until the potato are soft. Okay, once you see that the potatoes are cooked, you're going to add half cup of frozen green peas, which is about 70 grams. Now what we want to do is continue cooking until the peas are cooked and the potatoes are kind of mushy. Okay, now that you see everything is cooked, what you want to do now is mash some of the potato. What you want to end up with is some chunks of potato and some mashed. Okay, so you see the texture that I was talking about? So you want it like this. Okay, now I'm gonna turn off the heat and squeeze half a lemon inside. Okay, now let's just mix everything together and let it cool completely. So once we have our filling cooled, I'm gonna add half cup of chopped cilantro, which is around 15 grams. And I'm just gonna mix it all together. Okay, now we're gonna proceed with our assembling. Okay, so here I have 2 layers of phyllo dough. I've already brushed the first one with some butter. Now I'm gonna brush the other one with some butter also. Now we're gonna put our filling. Don't put too much because else the phyllo doughs, they're gonna break. Okay, now what we want to do is just roll it. Okay, now we're gonna roll again and make a coil shape. I'm gonna brush with some more butter, sesame seed,